You understand you're charged with the assault, family, choking, strangulation as a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we're asking that you follow the agreement.
All right, Mr. Smith, what are your issues? Why are you violent with people? And why do you steal?
Situations and,
Now, what does that mean? Everybody's in certain situations.
yes, I had an anger issue and I'm looking to work on that.
Yeah, but I mean, it takes a lot to choke somebody, right?
Yes, it does.
So how are you working on your anger issues?
You're gonna go to classes and just better myself and just work on it, you know.
Okay, so you haven't been working on it.
I have been working on it.
Well, what classes have you attended?
I haven't attended any classes, but I've personally myself, I've been working on it. I just walk away, you know, have no contact, you know, with the persons and just trying to be a better person.
Okay, is there an issue with your jaw?
Yeah.
What happened?
Abscess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that can be painful.
Yeah, it is.
Did they, what are they planning on doing to address that issue?
Antibiotics, and they're gonna pull the tooth.
Oh, okay. You know, in the Old West, they would just pull it. So, all right. Are you employed?
No, ma'am.
Why not?
I've been on ankle monitor and I haven't been able to leave the house.
Okay. Do you have any children?
Yes.
What are their ages?
12 and 10.
Where are they?
They're in custody with my grandmother in Seguin.
So why are they not in custody with you or the children's mother?
Because I had a previous charge for a previous charge of engagement of children for growing
How
marijuana.
so? Growing marijuana?
Yes.
All right. And why are they not in custody with their mother?
She's being no longer fit for to be a parent.
All right. So what drugs were you all using? The mom?
Marijuana.
All right. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right. So you chose marijuana over your children?
No, I didn't.
Well, I mean, yeah, you pretty much did, because I know about child protective services cases because I used to do a lot of child protective services cases. So if you're growing marijuana in your backyard or wherever it may be, or in your greenhouse, and child protective services takes your children, what they do is they say, okay, we're going to take your children, get your life together. And they give you up to a year to get your life together. You have a free baby. Well, I say free babysitter, but really taxpayers are paying for it. So you have a year to get your life together and get it so you can be the best parent for your children.
I tried, but my wife, she didn't want to comply. And so that.
Well, no, that's what ends up happening is if your wife doesn't want to comply for you to get your children back, then you have a choice to make. And your choice is either I work my plan, get my children back and leave my wife behind, or either I just take the easy route out for me and not the easy route for the children and say, you know what? I got backup. The grandparents going to take care of the children. I'm just going to do my thing. And it appears to me that that's what you did. And what I can tell you is I'm not going to allow you to have unsupervised contact with any minors. And that includes your own children. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So where are you living? Who with?
773.
No, who are you living with?
Myself, just by myself.
All right. Because I'm not going to allow you to live with your mother or wherever those children are. You understand?
Yes,
all right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is. All right. So here's the question. State, what did you want his punishment to be assessed at? Because it's a probation, regular probation office.
All
right. You all want to fill.
Yes, Judge.
I don't know what you all decided. The length of probation you guys are asking for is 5 years probation. So the question is, if his probation were revoked, how much time would you all be asking for the maximum?
5 years, Judge.
Okay. All right. So this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to follow your agreement, sentence you to 5 years in prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. Are you the same Stephen Allen Smith who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 5003 for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation? on September 20th, 2022 for a term of 5 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Stephen Allen Smith, defendant there, failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November, December 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
The state will waive and abandon the further allegations.
No objections.
All right, Mr. Smith, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you to 5 years in the prison? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is that you grant the motion, revoke the defendant's probation, sentence the defendant to 3 years in TDC, and taking that into consideration, the state will make a motion to dismiss on cause number county cause number 7076669 and grand jury number 7977070.
All right, so state. I'm just writing that down, and those numbers you're calling out were very quick. So can you imagine the court reporter? We're supposed to be making everybody's job easy today. So what cause numbers are you taking in consideration?
My apologies, Your Honor. That is county cause number 7076669 and grand jury number 7977070.
Oh, I got it right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you asking the court to follow this agreement, Mr. Smith?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation. Has he done anything on probation other than not report?
Your Honor. No.
All right, what have you done?
I have not done anything for probation, ma'am.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Defendant Allen Smith.
All right, why have you done nothing for probation?
I had a drug issue and didn't want to go into report to take drug tests, so I just didn't go.
See, I don't understand that because I allow people to communicate if they have issues. If people have a drug issue, I'm like, come in, let the court know. We will get you treatment. Probation?
Yes, Your Honor. He reported for his initial visit with probation and then didn't report. Yeah.
True,
So what do you think you deserve? I can give you up to 5 years.
Your Honor. I would like to give a chance to be, contributing.
Everyone, please whisper. We're on the record.
I'd like to give it a chance to go into the 3 years in TDC and then come out and become a contributing member of society and turn my life around.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to grant the motion. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, taking consideration 7076669. Grand jury number 7977070. And I'm going to sentence you to 4 years in the prison and give you credit for any time served. Mr. Smith, the problem is you did nothing. I mean, you really should be receiving the 5 years because you did nothing except for report one time. You understand? I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is not a plea bargain agreement. You do have a right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you were on probation. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a felony conviction, because there's an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a drug issue, if you want, I can recommend you for the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. But if you're accepted in the program, they can help you with any drug issues you have. Would you like me to recommend the therapeutic community?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you're still going to have to request it though. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Do better. All right.
Judge, before we go,
Yes.
I want to make sure that Mr. Smith is aware of this. The court sentenced me to 4 years. That's within the discretion of the court, correct?
Yes.
Just want to make sure that's clear.
All right. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Judge. Maybe excused?
Yes.
Thank you.